How to add Snapchat filter on normal photo. So this step are so simple to follow on Android and iOS. Now go and open up now your Snapchat app like this. After you open Snapchat like this, now tap on this section to upload your photo. So in this section now, tap on this camera roll. Now go ahead and upload the photo you want to add the filter to. So here is my, I'll use this photo. After you select the photo like this, now if you want to add filter to the photo, all you have to do now, tap on this, as you can see now, this arrow. After you tap on the arrow, now it will give you different, as you can see now, different options. All you have to do now, use your hand now to swipe like this. As you can see now, by swiping like this, now it gives me the filter section. Here is it now. Now go ahead and select the filter you want to add to your photo. So for me, let's say now I just want to add like this filter or this one. As you can see now, let's say I added this filter to this photo. After I finish adding the filter to the photo, if you want to download the photo, now tap on this, as you can see now, export. Now scroll to left and tap on this download button. Now I added a filter to a normal photo and I download the photo. As you can see now, here is it now. Now I download the photo. That's it guys on how to add Snapchat filter on normal photo. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.